All right guys, well we're out here on a John Deere Draper head. One of the things we've noticed over the years with John Deere Drapers is they have a lot of openings right under here and in that back corner where the side belts come and made up with the center belt. And we saw a lot of bean spillage and a lot of beans on the ground behind the header. And there wasn't a whole lot we could really do about it to try to remedy it. I mean, we could try to run our headers a little bit slower, slow our belts down, and that might mediate it a little bit. But it wasn't really a great solution because we kind of needed that Draper belt speed to get it to feed in at the speeds these combines can eat it. So what we did is we came up with a flap kit. And what it does is it puts a flap in the right corner and it puts a flapping bracket underneath here right above that side belt. But this will fit 700 series Drapers, 35 feet and larger, as well as the RDs, 35 feet and longer. But again, our goal of this kit is to make sure that we get all the beans that we've cut and we keep them in the head and ultimately into the combine rather than let them spill out on the ground. Hopefully you find that it's something that'll bring you some value to your farm, and we'll see you down the road.